Okay, let's make a compass. To make a compass or magnetic field detector, first we'll need a paper clip, one with no plastic on it, or a piece of foam, or something that floats that you can poke easily, a magnet or a couple magnets, a bowl of water, and I bought some scissors here and another paper clip just in case. So first step, I'm going to take my paper clip and I'm going to bend it so that it's nice and straight. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's probably good. Now, we're going to magnetize it using our magnets. And just to check if our paper clip is magnetized, I'm going to straighten this other paper clip too. So, did you know that using magnets, we can actually turn this paper clip temporarily into a magnet as well. So I'm just running my magnet along the paper clip, slowly making sure that I can feel the pull of the magnet on the paper clip. So now, my paper clip should become magnetized. Oh, excellent. So now you can see my paper clip is super magnetized and is picking up the other paper clip even if I'm holding the magnets in my other hand. So that's great. Now we know that this paper clip is now become a bit of a magnet itself. Okay, so now I'm going to put this through the piece of foam like this. I'm going to put it sideways. We want to make sure that our paper clip floats. I'm going to poke it through this piece of foam so it goes all the way through like this. And that's probably good. So now I'm going to get the bowl of water. And we're going to drop this in. And we're going to see where it points. Oh wow. Really moving in there. Try to keep it in the middle so that it doesn't hit the edges. And let's just double check. Ooh, it might be following this magnet, so keep all magnets far away from it. Make sure that it's going the right direction. Spin. Let's see where it stops. Oh, and it looks like it's getting attracted to the magnetic field of the Earth. We can kind of see it moving, almost looks like a ghost. And that, I actually happen to know that that's right. Yeah. So north is right here, and it is pointing north. So we made a compass that works. How awesome is that? And so that's also, I like to call that a magnetic field detector because it's actually being pulled to the magnetic north pole of the Earth. Pretty wild. Cool.